So here is my new armrest on a Kia Soul 2015, and because as you can see mine has some damage here, so now I'm gonna remove it. You don't need to remove the seats, but if you want to do it easier you can remove them. I remove them because I want to clean them. So in order to remove the armrest you will need to remove this screw, the same screw on another side, and here is one screw on this side and the same on another side. So now I'm gonna remove this screw right here. Now we have to remove one screw right here. So we removed one screw in the front, one screw on the back side. Now we're gonna go on another. See, we have to remove this one. Now in the front the same, we're gonna remove that cover. So you pull it from here and after slide it backward. As you can see, this one goes on that clip. So you pull out the clips and slide it backward. Now we're gonna remove this screw right here. So the screw is removed. Now we're gonna pull out this small cover right here. You just grab it. You can grab it like this and pull it out. So this is how it looks. After this we can slide up the red cover around the shifter. You grab it and slide it up like this. Once you slide it up you can put the car in reverse, for example, so you have space to pull it out. This one is gonna fit in and you can pull it completely out. Just slowly, be careful, don't rush, not to break any wires. Once you remove it, you can remove the wire that goes on the bottom. One connector right here and one more connector on the bottom. So as you can see, we removed these two connectors and this cover came right out. We're gonna put it on the rear seat, and now we're gonna remove one screw right here and one screw right there. One is removed. Now we're gonna remove the second one from there. The second one it's removed. We're gonna put it here. Once you remove those two screws, you open the armrest, remove this cover from inside, and you will have two more bolts. You can see, you can pull out this cover, and there are two bolts on the bottom. We need to remove those two bolts with a 10mm socket. One, and here's the second one. So we have both bolts removed. One, two. Now we can pull out completely the armrest. Now we're gonna pull the parking brake, and we have to remove this cover as well, this small cover, so we'll have enough space to pull out the armrest, so the handle is not gonna be 1 hour away. And this is gonna be to parking like this. So we just raise it up like this and pull it back. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks without the armrest. Looks ugly. Now we're gonna prepare our new armrest. That is right here, and we're gonna install it back in the car. So now we're gonna take our new one, and we're gonna install it back in exactly the same order as we removed that. Just pull out the wire, make sure we don't get stuck on the bottom. So we're gonna pull it all the way back until we pass the handle from the parking brake. We're gonna align it in its place, remove the wires, and that's it. The armrest is back in its place. The screws tight, Now we can install back the covers on both sides. So install it first there, slide it forward, align the clips and pop it back in. That's it. Bolts tight, screw tight, on another side the same. Screw, 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 and on another side. We all are tightened it. Now we can install this small cover in the front of a parking brake handle. That's it. Now we can install this cover around the shifter. That's it, our cover is back. Once you have the cover back, you can align and slide back this black cover. Make sure it goes in the right place. That's it. That's good. It's very simple. All you have to do in order to replace the armrest